Yes, blessed to the 12 tribe. And first and foremost, we have to give our praise unto the Most High Yah and His beloved Son. Today on my channel, I'm going to be making a old-time, quick and easy Guinness punch. So if you catch me when I go through the steps. And I'd like to say shalom to my brothers and sisters out there. So yes, family, so these are all my ingredients lying out on my cutting board. So I got sweet milk, cinnamon powder, vanilla, 2 Guinness, Ray and Nephew white rum, and molasses. And also got some oats as well that I'm going to be putting in there. So catch me when I go through the steps. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the Guinness in my blender. Back in the days when I made this punch, them used to put raw egg, but I like the raw egg in it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this to blend out. So yes people, it's blending together nicely, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to add a tablespoon of vanilla. So yes family, everything is blending nicely, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to add the sweet milk. So what you do, you add as much sweet milk as you want to it, to your likeness. So I blend out the sweet milk, now I'm going to add 1 shot of white rum. So yes people, so there you have it, old-time Jamaican Guinness punch. So remember, cheers. And if you like these recipes, you can always drop them in the comment section and I will share them with you. Shalom.